Okay, welcome to this tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how we can turn this photo into a snow environment, like giving a snow effect. So here we have our image uploaded already. So the first thing to do is to go over here, add for an adjustment layer, add a solid color. Okay, choose black. Then come over here, right click, delete layer mask. Okay, go to filter, add noise, click on rasterize. Okay, you can take it to anything between 40, 50 to 60. We'll be fine with that. Sometimes depend on the image you're working with. That is okay. This is still good, but let me just leave it at 66. You can try any other number that works well for you. Then make sure you click on Gaussian blur, this Gaussian, then click on monochromatic, have it checked. Click OK. Come to this area here. Change the blend mode. Turn it to screen. Okay. We have this now. Go back to feature. So then go to blur. Now sometimes I've seen people doing this. They use Gaussian blur. Yes, it's fine. You can use that too. But what we want this node to look like something that is falling. We want it to look like it's actually falling, not just a static kind of thing. So instead of using Gaussian blur, we won't be using that. We're going for motion blur to get that effect right. So if you can look very well, you can see somehow if you're following up, it might look like it's about to rain, but it's really not raining. Then if you decide to increase more than this, like try more than this, all you come up with is something more like rain, even more than rain. So but yeah, we need to look for something within this range. 7 to 12 is fine. 7, 10 is fine. 10 is fine. So yeah, with minus 6 it seems like the snow is falling from the left hand side. So let's see. This is also good, but let's make it like this. Okay, I'm using minus 65. That's fine for me. Okay, this is 8. 8 is better. Okay, we have this. Now the other thing we need to do, we go back to adjustment layer. Then we had a level. Now you ask, why do we need level? Now what happens here is that with this level you can actually determine the amount of snow that shows up and the one that doesn't show. So we're taking it from the black side. Okay, one more thing, you need to click on this, right click, then right click on the create clipping mask. So our effect, whatever we do here, doesn't affect the original background, just affects only the snow itself. So that's the essence of creating a clipping mask. Like in some other programs like Courage, or what you hear is like this, they call it like power clip. So that is more of something like that here in Photoshop. So just having to give out these extra details for the absolute beginners. Okay, so you see, by dragging here, the snow gradually disappears. Okay, now we want it to appear back. Then you come here, right click this one and drag. So if you over drag, this is what you get, but we don't want to over drag. So okay, so I'm trying to pick something that will be good for me. Okay, I think this is good. 67, 116. Okay, this is good. Okay, and this is it. But then we just left with one more thing to do. So click this area here, the adjustment layer, then click on this one in solid color. What I want you to do is to duplicate this. You can simply just hold and drag and bring to this place here. You have just duplicated that, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl J for that, whichever works for you. Okay, so we are having the same effect repeat itself, but we want to create a little variation with the second one here. So okay, so click this adjustment layer, which is, let me right click and rename this. This is no one for the sake of clarity. So turn this to Snow 2. Okay, so I'm using a number form. Okay, go back to filter with this, go to blur, go to motion, blur again. Okay, this time we're not going to touch that -60, so what we just want to do is to increase the distance here. So just increasing the distance, kind of create a little variation like. If we went to, this is -60, let's see. Okay, I think this is good too, but that is too much. This is fine. Little variation, okay. 18 is fine. Okay, what we have just done is like, instead of the whole, like the snow itself is embedding on one, let's say embedding underneath the other snow, we just make that distance to add some space in between them. Okay, so the next thing, go back to filter, then go to pixelate and use crystallize. So what does this do? It helps to break it breaks these snows into particles, tiny particles. So you can increase, you can decrease, but we don't want something too big. So let me see. Depends on your image. Take note of that, please. Okay, I think 18 should be good for me. Okay, so you see, now the next thing we have to do, we need to go back to this layer. Then here we can tell Photoshop that no, it's too bumpy or too big. We want to reduce it a little bit. We want to increase, and we just don't want this part to be too visible or whatever. You see, I'm just playing with it, so I actually get a good feel of what I want. You can see, so it's appearing like this because of that crystallized filter that I use. So something like this should be good. I'm trying to get something good for myself here, so you can take your time to get a good adjustment. Okay, let me play with the second one. I think maybe okay. 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 I think it's good. Okay. So with this done, there's something else I can also do. So click here, hold down the shift key and click on this. With this I've just selected everything here. So what I want to do is to put this into one group. Why? Because I just want to, we are done with the job and it's fine like this, but I just want to add a little more light to it. So little more change I can make. I can come to this color balance. So create clipping mask. Okay. So I just want to blend this white color a little bit with the background with what I already have. So I don't know which side would work, but let me just try. Okay, it's becoming greenish now. No. Okay. Okay, you need to be blue. I think it's good like this. We're good. And one more thing I can also add to this. Maybe this image I just want it a little bit brighter. So what I just did was to do clipping mask. So okay, just to brighten the image a little, and then it's fine. We're good. Let's just add one more thing to it, and we're done. So that's the filter, photo filter. So what happens? Let me just take it to the instrument. So you have, you see, with a photo filter. This is what I have. So I can change the kind of effect I want, the kind of filter I want. See? So yeah, still having my effect, but not too good now. So I want something cool. Okay, cool filter. Let me take it down. So this is our original image here. Okay, good, very good. So just for one more thing, yes. If you want to, you can. I see people doing this, but at this point, it really doesn't matter. But if you want to, you can still play along. Click on Ctrl T. Increase the width here. Make sure this is selected. Call it aspect ratio. Maintain aspect ratio. Make sure it's selected. So let's just say I try 200. Okay. Okay. So I think this is good. This is good. Okay. And we're good like this. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to drop a like. Support this channel. Your like, your subscription will actually help me to do more videos in the future. So please, I really need your support. I need your likes. I need your comments. If you have any idea on this, please drop it. If you want a tutorial that you want me to actually work on, something you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment section.